Hello, I'm Ann Crump with the law firm of Fletcher, Hildreth, and my topic today is biennial ownership reports. While there are other occasions on which ownership reports are required to be filed, the biennial ones come around every couple of years, as the name implies. Biennial ownership reports must be filed by all licensees of commercial and non-commercial AM, FM, TV, Class A TV, and LP TV stations in each odd number of years. So basically everybody. The report must be accurate as of October 1st of the reporting year and must be filed by December 1st of that year, ruining Thanksgiving vacation. The point is to get an industry-wide ownership snapshot that allows the FCC to track trends and make comparisons. The report provides information about attributable interest holders in the licensee, including stockholders, members, general and limited partners, officers, directors, and LLC members as appropriate. Obviously, it depends on what kind of organization you have. Make sure the information matches the FCC's records, and if it doesn't, get it fixed with an application. The report requires name, address, sex, and race ethnicity information for each interest holder. A separate report must be filed for each legal entity that holds an attributable interest either directly in the licensee or indirectly through another interest holder in the licensee. So everybody in the ownership chain. Before any filing is made, licensees and interest holders must have FCC registration numbers, better known as FRNs. For individuals, the FCC allows the use of a restricted use FRN, which requires less submission of private information, such as your social security number. But once those restricted use FRNs are obtained, they should be used in future reports so that the FCC can better track changes in ownership. Other information required of licensees in the ownership report is a list of organizational documents like articles of incorporation and bylaws and certain agreements, including those that may affect ownership or voting rights like proxies or options, network affiliation agreements, time brokerage agreements, and some loan documents such as those which affect freedom of action, like limiting dividends or requiring maintenance of certain assets. If you have any further questions about these, please feel free to call us at Fletcher, Hildreth.